kiss since last night. Do you think that I could get you back up, baby? Cause I need it again, 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 again. Need it again, again, again. I need it. I'm like, yeah, tryna come over for the night, yeah. Baby, let me know if it's alright, yeah. I was thinking I could bring a Sprite, yeah. And mix it with that vodka, I ain't gotta call ya. I'ma pull up on ya. Wake up every morning and I'm feeling like I saw ya. Go to sleep at night like, baby, let me put it on ya. And I ain't gotta lie, I'm ready to get to you. I'm ready to get to you. I've been dreaming about your kiss since last night. Do you think that I could get you back up, baby? Cause I need it again, 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 again. Need it again, again, again. I need it. That lingerie on the wifer rug, yeah. I might have to wife her up. For the moment I'm just trying to teach her new things. Make her body move like a mood swings. And an all black whip like I'm Bruce Wayne. She like System of a Down and some 2 Chainz. I like taking off her clothes by the sunset. Round 4 now, we ain't even done yet. I'm ready to get to you. Yeah, I'm ready to get to you. I've been dreaming about your kiss since last night. Do you think that I could get you back up, baby? Cause I need it again, 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 again. Need it again, again, again. I need it. I've been dreaming about your kiss since last night. Do you think that I could get you back up, baby? Cause I need it again, again, again. I need all the wins, yeah. Ain't no L's, I gotta get it, no call and quits, yeah. Gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets, yeah. Better move out the way cause I'm coming with harder hits. My head is as hard as a brick, but I'm harder than all of this. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. My heart on my sleeve. Shit on my greed. That's how I get it. Success ain't no giving. Some days I don't eat, I don't sleep. When I'm focused, I'm dangerous. They don't wonder when I'm anxious. Ain't no limit till I tank. I'm running on fumes. The opposition don't amaze. The roads racing through the pavement. Get your hands out of my bag. I know that's because I've been in it. I don't need to brag. I guess that's what happens when you taking care of your business. But some family, you do the math. I'm out of my pocket. Houston, we got a problem. I ain't perfect. Let them watch me elevating. Got them nauseous. Cause I'm the pilot in the cockpit. Nose diving in the house. And whoo. Watch how I get ahead. Watch how I get ahead. Watch how I get ahead. Woo. Watch how I set it up, bet you I shut it down, watch how I get a win. I don't think they really wanna come against the winner, got a finger run up in on a grenade. I ain't never been there when you think you compare to my line, but the winner about the cage. I need all the wins, yeah. Ain't no L's, I gotta get it, no call and quits, yeah. Gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets, yeah. Better move out the way cause I'm coming with harder hits. My head is as hard as a brick, but I'm harder than all of this. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out.